How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch a preferred browser and search for amazon.com. If you have the Amazon application, just tap open in your device. Make sure that you are logged in your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, to redeem an Amazon gift card, it is as simple as you think. Now, firstly, you have to navigate to at the top where you can see the dashboard of your Amazon. Now, you can just tap on the option of account and list. From here, you have to select on gift card. Now, in order to redeem a gift card in your Amazon, you need to click on the tab that says redeem a gift card. Once you tap on redeem a gift card, you need to enter the claim code or the gift card number that is present at the back of your gift card. Simply tap on apply. Once you do this, you will see a balance update in your Amazon balance, which you can use while purchasing items off your Amazon website. It's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.